Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to unbox this phone that I picked up off of eBay. It was $5 even with free shipping. I think it was untested if I remember right. And it is a very dirty Blackberry Tour. Let's see if I can give you an exact model number on it. Not sure. This battery comes out. Oh, there we go. Let's see. It's got a 2 GB SD card and a Verizon SIM card in there for us. It's a Blackberry 9630. It is untested as well, so the battery doesn't look bad, surprisingly. Any power in it? Doesn't look like it. Looks like it's got a screen protector on there, maybe. Yep, definitely has a screen protector on there, so we'll probably leave that on there. But yeah, it also came with this little jelly rubbery case. Doesn't really fit the phone very good. I can see the age is kind of got it deteriorated, or not deteriorated, but it's stretched, so it doesn't really fit that good. But there will be a follow-up video on this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.